Welcome to the How to Edit Pages tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to edit a page on your website. The topic covered in this video is how to edit pages. To edit a page, first log into your website's backend. Now, there are two ways to do this. You can either visit the page you want to edit in a new browser tab and then click on Edit with Elementor at the top of the menu bar, or follow the alternative from within the WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the Pages menu tab on the left side of the screen. Now, the Pages dashboard will appear. Hover over a page's title and click on Quick Edit to quickly change the page's title and URL slug, or click on Edit with Elementor to edit the visual content of the page. Clicking Edit with Elementor will open the page with the Elementor editor, allowing you to add visuals and content to the page. Click on Update to save any changes made in the Elementor editor. You've now learned how to edit pages on your website.